Hi there, Trey with Analytics 8. I was working with a client on building out a mapping solution and quickly found that they had some dirty data. I thought I'd show you what I found and what I did to address the issue. So let's get started. You can see in the state dropdown that there are state abbreviations, but then there are also state names that have been misspelled, extra characters have been added on, and all these other things. These types of issues would be easy to fix. I could simply select those states that had been misspelled, export a list of the addresses with the misinformation, and then pass it along to the business owner to update the source system. The bigger problem I saw were the random dots that were not in the US. See, this client was a church, and though far-reaching, was not likely to have members in Australia and China. Selecting the point in Australia, I noticed that the database had conflicting data. Even though the lat long placed the dot in Australia, the address was actually in the US in the state of South Carolina. Now, once again, if this was a one-off issue, the problem would be easy to fix. However, if the address was different than the lat long here, reasons that it could be off anywhere. And this map had over 11,000 points, so hand checking each was not an option. Now, lucky for me, I had a Postgres server set up to handle just this kind of issue. A few simple SQL statements told me that the lat long the database held matched the postcode the database address contained. It turned out that in addition to the obvious errors, I found about 20 others that were incorrect as well. This led us to discover that certain users were making updates to the database and skipping the process of re-geocoding the points. This process over time would have led to many other errors and a fair amount of money wasted on communications and marketing. Now, if you'd like to see the details of how this was done, please register for the webinar at the link in the comments. During the event, we'll do a step-by-step walkthrough of this solution and answer any questions that you have. Hope to see you then. Thanks.